Welcome to Tech Info Guruji. In this video, we'll explore the fundamentals of business. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or looking to enhance your business knowledge, this video will provide you with the essential concepts you need to succeed. Let's get started. First, let's define what a business is. A business is an organization or enterprising entity engaged in commercial, industrial, or professional activities. Businesses can be for-profit entities or non-profit organizations that operate to fulfill a charitable mission. There are several types of businesses, including sole proprietorship, owned and operated by one person. It's the simplest form of business but offers no personal liability protection. Partnership, owned by two or more people who share profits, losses, and responsibilities. Partnerships can be general or limited. Corporation, a legal entity separate from its owners, offering limited liability protection. Corporations can be private or public. Limited liability company, LLC, combines the benefits of a corporation's limited liability with the flexibility and tax advantages of a partnership. A solid business plan is crucial for any successful business. It includes executive summary, a brief overview of your business and its goals, market analysis, research on your industry, market, and competitors, organization and management, your business structure and management team, products or services, what you're selling and your value proposition, marketing and sales strategy, how you plan to attract and retain customers, funding request. If you're seeking financing, detail your funding requirements, financial projections, future revenue, expenses, and profitability estimates. Marketing and sales are critical to attracting and retaining customers. Key concepts include market research, understanding your target audience and their needs. Branding, creating a strong brand identity that resonates with your audience. Digital marketing, utilizing online channels like social media, email, and SEO to reach your audience. Sales strategy, defining your sales process and techniques to convert leads into customers. Proper financial management is essential for business success. This includes budgeting, planning your income and expenses to ensure profitability. Accounting, keeping accurate financial records for decision-making and compliance. Cash flow management, ensuring you have enough cash to cover your obligations. Financial analysis, using financial data to assess business performance and make informed decisions. Operations management involves the efficient production and delivery of products and services. Key aspects include supply chain management, coordinating the production, shipment, and delivery of products. Quality control, ensuring your products or services meet quality standards. Inventory management, keeping track of inventory levels to meet customer demand without overstocking. Human resources, HR, is about managing people effectively. Important elements include recruitment, hiring the right people for your business, training and development, providing employees with the skills they need to succeed, performance management, evaluating and improving employee performance, compensation and benefits, offering competitive salaries and benefits to attract and retain talent. These are the fundamental concepts of business that every entrepreneur or business manager should understand. By mastering these basics, you'll be well equipped to start and grow a successful business. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Subscribe to Tech Info Guruji channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.